Finally, the house has been presented to the 2014 award winner. How do you think, or how do you see today's event as a whole?
Very memorable. I have visited other programs, particularly the houses. These are about the best that I've seen so far constructed for this particular farmer. Very impressive. Yeah.
And how has the journey been for ADB as a bank and as the leading sponsor of the Farmers Award?
Oh, every journey has its ups and downs. No journey is smooth throughout. You know, last year we had a lot of challenges, but thank God we have overcome those challenges and we are moving ahead. As you can see now, we put all those things behind us and we are moving forward. And the coming years, we believe, is going to be better than the past years. That's our hope. Yeah, with our IPO too having been successful so far, we hope that new capital has come in, we'll be able to do more than we're doing in the past. So we have a very bright future ahead of us.
So talking about doing more, what's doing more for agriculture as the 2014 National Best Farmer suggested? Is there any other initiative that ADB is taking in the agri industry, considering that your bank is generally the Agricultural Bank of Ghana?
You know, we do not only finance the Best Farmers Prize, we finance agriculture as a whole. Right now, if you go to the banking industry, we are the leading bank in terms of agricultural financing. No other bank finances agriculture more than we do. Even though over the years, I must say that the percentage that we dedicate to agri is coming down a bit, but taking the industry as a whole, we are still the leading bank in agricultural financing. And as you know, the industry is very risky. So we need to balance our finance of agriculture with some commercial orientation so we can balance. We take from the commercial sector to support the agricultural sector. You know, if there's so much rain, so much production, no market. If there's no rain, no production, there's a crop failure. So it's an area that we need to manage with our commercial aspect of our performance. That will help us even do more agri. Because if we focus the whole energy on agri sector and it fails us, how do we get money to finance? So we need to balance agriculture and commercial business.
That actually leads me to my next question. With the ADB IPO, there's a greater influx of capital now, but then it also means that there are greater stakeholders in the decision. With agriculture being, should I say, a high risk industry, like you stated yourself, is this something that we should see that ADB is going to then increase, or there's going to be a gradual decrease as is happening over the years for the bank?
We are hoping that with government still in there, government is still in there as a shareholder. With government still in there, government can still influence the direction that we go. And agri actually is the main focus for this bank. So we are not going to deviate, even though there are other shareholders. Ministry is still, the government is still in there, and government will ensure that the aim of this bank is not defeated. We shall still go on to finance agriculture.